Absolutely. I'll provide you with a detailed, clear, and engaging English summary of Market Wizards by Jack D.
Intro.
Schwager. Hey everyone, welcome to this deep dive into one of the most legendary trading books ever written, Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. This book isn't just about charts or strategies. It's about mastering risk, psychology, and habits that transform ordinary traders into millionaires. Today, I'm going to walk you through the most powerful lessons, stories, and secrets from market wizards, straight from the traders themselves. So get comfortable because this could be the most important trading video you watch. Section 1, Risk Management, the Foundation. Jack Schwager interviewed dozens of top traders, each with a unique style, some technical, some fundamental, some short-term, some long-term. But they all agreed on one truth: risk management is everything. Success in trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about surviving losses to stay in the game long enough to win big. Bruce Kovner, one of the greats, said, "The most important thing is to play great defense, not great offense." That means protect your capital first. Cut losses quickly, keep losses small, and let your winners run. One famous example is Paul Tudor Jones. Early in his career, Paul made a critical mistake. He kept adding to losing trades instead of cutting losses. He lost almost everything. He later said, losers, average losers. That lesson transformed his approach. Now he cuts losses fast and adds only to winning positions. Section 2, Emotional Mastery and Discipline. Seykota turned $5,000 into $15 million in 12 years. His secret wasn't a complicated system, it was emotional discipline. He said the key elements of good trading are 1. Cutting losses, 2. Cutting losses, 3. Cutting losses. Sounds repetitive? That's because it's that important. Most traders fail because they hold on to losers too long or get greedy on winners. Seykota also said, everyone gets what they want out of the market. Some unconsciously want to lose money or thrill over profits. The best traders want consistent success and focus only on that. Section 3, Patience and Waiting for the Right Setup. Successful traders are patient. They don't trade every tick or news event. They wait for the perfect setup according to their rules. Richard Dennis, the Prince of the Pit, said, "I don't mind losing. I just don't want to lose big." This patience and discipline separates winners from amateurs. Tom Basso said, "The goal is not to avoid losses, but to survive them." Accept losses as part of trading and stick to your plan. Section 4, Handling Drawdowns and Comebacks. Even the best traders face losing streaks. Richard Dennis once had a major drawdown but studied and adjusted his strategy. Michael Marcus grew $30,000 into millions but lost almost everything multiple times. His secret? Confidence to trust his plan, humility to learn and adapt. Drawdowns are not failure, they are tests of resilience. How you respond makes all the difference. Section 5, Common Mistakes that Destroy Traders. Jack Schwager warns about these deadly traps. Averaging down on losing trades, losers average losers. Trading with emotions like fear and greed, ignoring your trading plan, overtrading without edge, failing to protect capital. Avoid these and you're ahead of most traders. Section 6, The Final Secret, Mastering Yourself. Ultimately, trading is a reflection of your own mind. The best traders master their emotions, fear, greed, and ego. Bruce Kovner put it simply, it's not how much you make, it's how much you don't lose. So the real secret, master yourself, control your emotions, protect your capital, and trade with discipline. Close, thank you for joining me on this journey through Market Wizards. Remember, trading success isn't about magic. It's about mindset, risk control, patience, and resilience. Apply these lessons, keep learning, and believe in yourself. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to succeed. Until next time, trade smart and stay disciplined. If you want, I can expand any section further or provide it with timestamps, visuals, ideas, or more storytelling depth. Would you like me to do that?